In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and activate the Constant Contact plugin in WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the plugin is ready to use. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Plugins. This is the area where you manage the features that extend your site's functionality. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry, everything you need is right there. In the Plugins section, locate the search field. Type Constant Contact into the search bar exactly as the name is spelled. This helps WordPress filter down to the plugin you want. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard to run the search. WordPress will refresh the results to show anything that matches what you entered. You should now see the Constant Contact plugin in the list. Click on Constant Contact to open its details panel. This view lets you double check you've got the correct plugin by reading the description and reviewing the author information. Taking a moment here is helpful to ensure you're activating the intended tool and not a similarly named add-on. When you're confident you found the right plugin, click the Activate button. Activation tells WordPress to turn the plugin on, and you'll typically see a confirmation message. In many cases, WordPress will add a new menu item or a settings link related to Constant Contact so you can access its options later if you choose to. Activation alone doesn't change your site's content, it simply makes the plugin available and ready. If you don't see the plugin appear in search, confirm the spelling and try again, or refresh the page and search once more. If you're using a site where plugin management is restricted, such as certain hosted plans, you might not have access to this feature. In that case, check your permissions or contact your provider. If the Activate button is not clickable, make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right privileges to manage plugins. That's it. You went to WordPress, clicked on Plugins, searched for Constant Contact, pressed Enter, clicked on the Constant Contact entry, and then activated it. With the plugin now active, you can explore its settings whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident navigating the plugins area